y'all doing? I'm doing the last song. All right, so we are somewhere in a city called Lavagar. Now I'm in that section where you're in love with somebody, but like they don't know. Okay? I can. We've been crying. No, guys. We've been crying, and now we're acknowledging the truth. I think I'm in love with you. Nobody knows it. I think I'm in love. Nobody knows. I think I'm in love with you. Nobody knows. I think I'm in love. Nobody knows, and not even you. Nobody knows, not even you. Nobody knows, not even you. Nobody knows, not even you. I still remember the first time your lips tasted mine, and perhaps it was a dream over the obsession with you. You've been on my mind from the first time that my eyes caught your gaze. I'm not sure what kind of feelings these are. I find myself praying for you, and that truly must be the highest form of love, for I have been placing you into my midnight prayers for too long. What is it about me that you can't seem to see? I am standing right in front of you. Acknowledge my feelings, my love for you. And I do not know how to say this. I do not know how to tell you that I'm breaking inside. I feel myself shatter. Is there a universe where you love me? Is there a galaxy where you and I exist on the same page in the same book? You have to let me know. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love, still in love. I'm still in love, babe. I'm still in love. But nobody knows, and not even you. Nobody knows, and not even you. Nobody knows, and not even you, baby. Nobody knows, not even you. Think I'm in love with you. Nobody knows it. I think I'm in love with you. Nobody knows it. Think I'm in love. Nobody knows.